BYD Sealion 7 to be launched in India by Q1 2025. BYD has confirmed that its all-electric SUV, the Sealion 7, will be launched in India by the first quarter of 2025. The manufacturer also confirmed that the vehicle will debut on January 17 at the 2025 Bharat Mobility Expo. Upon its unveiling, the Sealion 7 will be BYD's fourth vehicle to be sold in the Indian market, after the Atto 3, Seal, and Emax 7. Visually, the Sealion 7 gets angular front headlamps with the DRLs extending towards the lower end of the vehicle, which is in line with models such as the Seal and Seal U. The SUV appears to be a well-proportioned vehicle with a properly defined shoulder line, prominent haunches, and generous use of cladding around the wheel arches. An interesting design detail is the presence of a small boot deck beneath the rear windscreen. The Sealion 7 also sports a prominent rear diffuser, along with a tail lamp that spans the entire width of the vehicle's rear end, similar to the Seal. On the inside, the Sealion's cabin is headlined by a freestanding 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen and a 10.25-inch digital instruments cluster. The aircon vents of the SUV are positioned beneath the touchscreen. The list of features offered on the Sealion 7 in the global market includes electrically adjustable front seats with heating and ventilation, dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, a head-up display, a panoramic sunroof, and a 12-speaker sound system. On the safety front, the vehicle gets an advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, suite with features such as adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, rear collision warning, front cross traffic alert, front cross traffic brake, rear cross traffic alert, and rear cross traffic brake, lane departure warning. In the European market, the Sealion 7 is offered with two battery pack options, an 82.5 kWh unit and a 91.3 kWh unit. Claimed range figures are 482 km in the RWD Comfort variant, 82.5 kWh, 456 km in the Design AWD variant, 91.3 kWh, and 502 km in the Excellence AWD variant, 91.3 kWh. Powertrain options for the SUV in Europe include the single-motor Comfort variant, 308 bhp, 380 Nm, and the dual-motor Design and Excellence variants, both of which churn out 523 bhp and 690 Nm.